Yo, what's going on, brothers? Welcome back to Brotherhood Finance. Today's video is going to be a good video where we're going to be talking about 3 stocks that I'm going to be investing in for March 2021. This is a series that we already have been doing recently at Brotherhood Finance. So again, I'm going to be talking about 3 stocks that I'm buying for March 2021. Thank you as always for stopping by Brotherhood Finance. Please leave a like and subscribe. Make sure to smash that thumbs up button down below. Smashing is very important. It shouldn't be taken for granted, so always smash that thumbs up button. Just some quick analytics before we dive into this action-packed video and the slideshow presentation I put together. If you look at our channel analytics, only 5.8% of you are actually subscribed. So please, again, go down, smash that thumbs up button. Make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. I appreciate it as always. Thank you for being a part of Brotherhood Finance. Thank you for being a part of this channel where we want people to have financial freedom, financial education, and to scale their portfolios and get a return on investment. Furthermore, let's dive into the video. Make sure you follow us on Instagram at Brotherhood Finance and TikTok at Brotherhood Finance. Let's dive into the video. All right, brothers, so let's dive into the 3 stocks we're going to be talking about today. So the first stock I want to talk about today. So what are these stocks really going to be? So these stocks are going to be stocks that are going to, probably 2x my money, 90% plus my money, and the risk that I'm going to take, that I take, less than 50% profits or lose 50% of my money in the next 3 to 5 years are very unlikely. So these stocks are easy 2x, 90+%, in my opinion, and they're very bullish stocks. So I'm very excited for these. So the first stock we're going to dive into is Tattooed Chef, TTCF. This is a stock that I've gone in for quite a while, probably a couple months now on the YouTube channel. And it's a great stock to be buying, especially in the stock market crash. One of the problems when the market has these dips is people, instead of buying, they sell. But what you actually want to do is you want to buy low and sell high. As Warren Buffett always says, you buy when there's blood in the streets. And then you also want to double down on your positions to get that increased return on investment when the market does return to all-time highs, which it always will. So make sure you buy those dips and then you sell high, and then that's how you can get the best interest, the best return on investment, and how you can use compound interest and time as your best asset. Okay, so again, Tattooed Chef is the #1 stock out of these 3 that I'm investing in. I probably own around 25 shares of Tattooed Chef. It's a very good vegan food company. Its market capitalization is $1.725 billion. So these are some of their products. Again, I like to think as Tattooed Chef as kind of like the Pizza Hut, but for vegan food. It's freezable food that you store in your freezer. And it's vegan, and the vegan food industry is growing very rapidly right now. There's going to be a lot of audience and a very big marketplace for it as well. Now, next year, they're supposed to grow at least 51.4%. So this company is growing like crazy, massive growth stock. So why this stock, Brendan? So really the reason is because they're cashed up. So they have over $200 million cash on hand. It was just like Planet 13, ticker symbol PLNHF, my favorite, MJ stock. That stock has over 100 million cash on hand. So cash is very important. Liquidity is important so that you can grow and expand your business. They're ready for hiring and for more production to scale the food giant and the business overall. And they have a 1.5 to 1.7 market capitalization. So this company has increased cash on hand. They're ready for hiring. They're ready to scale it, and they're going to be, brought to bigger retailers like Walmart, Kroger, etc. So it's a very good vegan food company. Just some, recent announcements. So again, like I said, cash balance now approximately $200 million on February 22nd, and this was in 2021. So this is massive. The revenue of $149 million for fiscal 2021 company to report 4th quarter and fiscal 2020 financial results on March 10th. Grocery stores are coming out soon for this company. It's a very good company for growth and for the vegan food industry, so it's happening very quickly. The 2 CEOs, so we've gone over them, Sarah Galletti and Sam Galletti. Sam Galletti has served as CEO since it was founded in 2009. He has over 35 years of experience in the food industry, which is massive. Leadership is very important, especially in these growing companies and these big companies. Leaderships and CEOs play a significant role in growing, operating, making sure they have enough cash on hand, putting their asset allocation in the right areas and growing the companies overall. And then Sarah Galletti, she is one of the innovators of the frozen plant-based meals and snacks, and she is primarily responsible for the development of new products as well as the strategic and creative direction of Tattooed Chef brands. So she comes up with some of the branding, she helps develop some of the products, and they are a great team together. All right, so stock number 2 I want to talk about, Corsair Gaming, ticker symbol CRSR. This company has a market capitalization of $3.397 billion. So it's a great company. Actually, one of the recent companies I just picked up and added to my portfolio. I've been buying all the dips. Anything under $40 is a steal, so I recommend you pick up this stock. So these are some of their products. Again, Corsair Gaming, ticker symbol CRSR. And this industry is also doing great, especially with the release of new gaming systems, PS5, the new Xbox, Series X, all that. The gaming industry is doing great, and I think Corsair is going to do very well. So again, we have a lot of the top products. So right here, their revenues are great. So current year 2021, they're expected to grow 11.9%, and I think they're going to be able to blow those charts out of the water. So I think this company is going to be a great long-term investment. And again, I would be picking up anything under the $40 range. That is what I am doing personally. So yeah, it's a great stock. This company is cash loaded. So HP has been making strides entering the gaming industry. But the last several years under the Omen brand, but it has not gained much traction compared to competitors such as Corsair, Logitech, and Ryzen. So again, there's a lot of competitors in this space. However, Corsair Gaming is set up, to take a lot of the market capitalization, and I believe it's going to be a great stock that's going to give significant returns in the future. So again, their forward PE. This company, a lot of the stocks in the market right now, despite the recent crash that we're having right now, which again, you want to make sure you're buying those dips. The market may go down another 5 or 10%, or it might go up. I'm pretty sure legislation has passed, or the Senate just passed a $1.9 trillion stimulus, which again, that money is going to flood in the markets, and that's going to keep the markets afloat. However, this company right here, Corsair Gaming, their forward PE, so price to earnings ratio is very good. It's not oversaturated or overvalued. So a 24.33 forward PE is pretty good on the stock. And again, it's still at a pretty good valuation. I believe the stock is around $30 right now a share. So again, I recommend you pick up some shares. And then the last stock is Pfizer, PFE. This is a great stock. The forward PE on this stock is just a joke. It's really low, so it's a great stock to buy. Vaccinations, you have all that stuff coming out, the coronavirus. And it is a dividend beast. So this is a dividend yield stock, something you might want to add to a long-term investment if you want that dividend, that positive cash flow every month, just get those dividends. Warren Buffett is a very big dividend investor. Personally, I'm more of I like to have a diversified portfolio with a mixture of growth stocks, as well as, safe security stocks. But again, this is a great dividend stock at a 4.66% yield. And this stock, again, average estimate of 3.3, 3.06, so it's doing great. And those are the three stocks. So again, make sure you check those out. TTCF, Corsair, CRSR, and Pfizer, PFE. Those are the three stocks that I'm buying March 2021. If you have any comments, questions, or concerns, leave them down in the comments below. Those are the three stocks I'm buying March 2021. Again, I appreciate all the love and support recently, brothers. Thank you again as always. If you have any questions, always leave them below like I said before previously. If you want to join the best free stock Discord chat in the world, check out the link will be in the description for Brotherhood Stock Trades. So make sure you check that out. Again, make sure you like and smash. Smashing is very important. Don't take it for granted. Thank you as always. Thank you for being a part of Brotherhood Finance. Take it easy. Peace.